Jaunt Motors, a creative workshop in Melbourne that takes old classic cars like Minis, Land Rovers, even Porsche 911s, and converts them into electric vehicles. Instead of scrapping these icons, this company strips out the petrol engine and installs a modern electric motor, battery pack, and upgraded wiring. They keep the look and charm of the original car, but inside is now modern, safe, and quiet. Take the classic Mini, for example. Jaunt's kit uses a 19 kilowatt-hour battery and a 70 kilowatt motor, giving it instant acceleration. It goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 7 seconds, all while preserving the iconic Mini feel. And the weight balance stays just like the original. After the classic Mini, Jaunt Motors also transforms Land Rover series into full-fledged electric vehicles with amazing results. They carefully remove the old engine and install a clean EV system while keeping the previous look and feel. The goal is to keep the classic driving experience intact while adding silent electric drive, modern control, and cleaner performance. Every vehicle is carefully rebuilt, whether it's the brakes, steering, suspension, or interior wiring. Everything meets modern safety and reliability standards. Jaunt recently merged globally with another company called Zero EV and created a merged entity called Felton to expand their reach to the UK and North America. Soon, more classic car lovers around the world can order their electrified vintage rides. It's cool engineering of old-school style with zero emissions, peaceful electric power, and a design you can dream on. Want to see which classic car gets electrified next? Then don't forget to follow us.